Hello dear students, once again welcome back to online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video I have already explained this chapter to you and its word meaning also. So now today I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of this chapter. Okay students, so today we are going to revise the exercises of chapter number 9. So for that you all take out your New Jams English Reader book and open chapter number 9, that is the Zebra's Pajamas. Okay student, so we are going to revise the exercise A. It is very important. So student, what will we do in exercise A? In exercise A, there is a tick the correct option. Okay, so we will choose the correct option according to the given sentence. So here is the first sentence is Zebra's sister was called. What we call Zebra's sister, do you know that? If you learn the story, so you know the answer very well. So student, Zebra's sister was called, we all know that Zebra's sister was Palomino. Okay, in horse family there was 4 members: stallion, brothers, Palomino is sister, and mule and the little one, that is zebra. Okay, there are 4 members in horse family. So zebra's sister was called, Palomino was sister. So we will choose the correct option, that is option number B, Palomino. Okay, second one is mule was known to be. So here 3 options. First is restless and playful, second is lazy, third is stubborn and hard working. So we all know the quality of mule, so we will choose the option number C, that is stubborn and hard working. Okay, and after that third is the king of the animal world called all the animals to decide. So here are again 3 options. First is option number A, what to do with zebra. B is how the animal's kingdom should be ruled. C is who would become the next king. So the correct option is option number B, that is how the animal kingdom should be ruled. Okay student, now we moving to the next, that is fourth. In number 4 there is a sentence, little zebra did not go for the meeting because. Option number A, his alarm clock did not ring. Option number B, no one tried to wake him. Option number C, he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. So here is the correct option is option number C. So we will choose the option number C. Okay student. So just like this you have to revise exercise A and also write down in your practice copy or fair copy. Okay. So student, now the next exercise, that is exercise D. In exercise D, there is match these words with their opposites. Okay, here we will match the given words with their opposites. So student, what will we do? Firstly we will read the given word and after that we will choose the correct option according to the given word. We will choose the correct opposite words. So here's the total 5 words. First is wild. First word is wild. Second is different. Third is active. Fourth is subject and fifth is presence. Okay. So first is wild. So we will choose the correct opposite of wild, that will be tame. Okay. So we will match with the D. We will match number 1 with D, that is tame. Now the second is different. Second word is different, so opposite of different is similar. So we will match with A. Third is active. Third word is active, and what the opposite of active? It will be lazy. So we will match with the E. Now the next number fourth. Fourth is subject. So opposite of subject is ruler. So we will match with B. Now the next is presence. So we will match with absence. Okay, presence. So it will be absence. So we will match with the C. Just like this you have to complete this given matching word. Okay, and we also got the opposite of this given word. First word is wild. So wild, the opposite of wild is tame. Second is different. So opposite of different is similar. Third is active. So opposite of active is lazy. Fourth is subject. So it will be ruler. Fifth is presence. presence, so it will be absence. Okay students, so just like this you have to complete exercise D. Now we moving to the next exercise, that will be exercise E. After completing exercise A and D, we will move to next exercise, that is exercise E. So what will we do in this given exercise? So student, here circle the words that means the same as the words given in the capitals. Circle the words that mean the same as the word given in the capital. So first word is romp. Okay, so we will choose the correct words, the meaning are same. Okay, so dear student, we will choose the correct words according to the given in capitals. Okay, we will choose the same meaning words. So it is the romp, and what the same words of romp, so it will be play. So we will circle the given word play. Here is the three word. First is play, second is sit, and third is slay. So romp means is play, so we will circle the given word play. Second is terrified, so it will be scared, so we will circle the word scared. Third is nudge, and the same meaning of nudge is poke, P-O-K-E, poke, so we will circle this given word. Fourth is argument, so it will be quarrel. Okay, so we will circle the given word quarrel. Fifth is miserable, and the meaning of miserable is that unhappy. Okay, so just like this you have to complete this given exercise E. You have to choose the same words that is given in the capitals. Okay, so student, first is romp, so it will be play. Second is terrified, it will be scared. Third is nudge, it will be poke. Fourth is argument, it will be quarrel. Fifth is miserable, it will be unhappy. Just like this you have to complete this given exercise E. Okay, and also learn it. Okay student, now we moving to the next exercise. So come to the next exercise, that will be exercise F. Okay, in exercise F, Stallion wrote a letter to his friend, but he made many mistakes. Rewrite the letter correctly in your notebook. Okay, so student, it's your homework. You have to write letters that is written by the Stallion. So student, Stallion made many mistakes, so you have to rewrite these given letters, okay, correctly in your notebook. So as you all know the uses of punctuation, so we will use the correct punctuation in these given letters. Okay, so first of all, there is a first correction that is given in the dear. The first letter will be in capital. Okay, dear donkey. Okay, now the next, there is a first letter U, it will be capital. Here we have to change this given letter in a capital letter. You won't believe what. After that, my, it will be M in small letter. My, and L also will be in small letter. My lazy brother zebra has done now. After that, there is a full stop. And now the next word after the full stop, it will be in a capital letter. Okay, so Y in capital letter. Yesterday the king, after the yesterday we will put a comma. The king held a meeting and we, so W will be in a small letter. We all had to go, full stop. After that we will write the first letter in capital, zebra, so Z will be capital. Okay, zebra refused to get out of bed, so we went without him. Okay, after the him we will put a full stop. Now the first letter of the, it will be capital, T will be capital. The king was so S will be in a small letter, show. Angry, first letter of angry will be in a small letter, so angry, full stop. And after that the first letter will be capital. He made us go back to get him. The zebra came, here is the full stop, so we will cut the given full stop. Okay, came in his pajamas. After that we have to put a full stop. The king, the first letter of the will be in capital letter, T will be capital. The king told him that, here we have to write the word that is that he will have to stay in his pajamas forever. Okay, full stop here. And after that, so my, so here the first letter will be in capital, so my little brother is now all strippy. After that full stop, so the first letter after the full stop it will be capital, so C will be capital, come over soon, and see him. Here we have to put a full stop. Okay student, so here is the your friend. So first letter of your will be capital, Y will be capital, and after that stallion. So S of a stallion will be capital. Okay, just like this you have to change this given letters of word. Okay student, so you must be changed this given capital letter, and you have to put full stop and comma where it is required. Okay students, so just like this you have to write the letter in your notebook with a good handwriting. It's your homework. Now we're moving to the next, that is given in grammar fun. So here is the information about the verb. Okay, what is verb? So firstly we will read this given information instruction, that is the verb has is used when we talk about one person, place, animals or thing. What is verb? The verb has is used when we talk about one person, place, animal or things. The verb have is used when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or things. Have is also used with I and you. Student, here is the information about that. How could we use has or have in a sentence? Okay, here we will learn about the uses of has or have. So we will use has. We have to use the verb has with a one person, place, animal or things, and we have to use helping verb, that is have, used with when we talk about more than one person. Okay, so the instruction is given here that how could we use has or have with a person, place or animals. Okay, so let's do the given exercise, that is exercise G. In exercise G, fill in the blanks with has or have. So we all know that we have to use has with a singular person, place or animals, and we have to use have with the plural, that is more than one, and also we have to use have with the I and you. So let's do this given exercise. In exercise G, there is a fill in the blanks with has or have. So first is an octopus dash 8 legs. So what will we use with octopus? Has or have? So this given word octopus is singular or plural? Tell me what is this? So it is one. So what will be used with the one person, place or animals? So it will be has. Okay, we have to use has with the octopus. So it will be an octopus has 8 legs. Okay. Second is Charlie dash bought a new bicycle. So student, here is the word Charlie. Okay, the subject Charlie is singular or plural? So it is singular. So what will be used? We have to use has here. Okay, it will be has. Charlie has bought a new bicycle. Third is I dash got 4 new pencils. So what will be used with I? We will use have with I. Okay, so I have got 4 new pencils. Now the fourth is Punita dash a kind heart. So student, what will be used with Punita? Punita is a singular person, so we will use has. We will use the verb, that is has. Okay. Fifth is Sikha and Amin dash scored A plus in their science projects. So student, what will be used with Sikha and Amin? So it will be have, because there is a Sikha and Amin, there is a plural. Okay. So there are two persons, so we will use have with the more than one. So here on the given blanks we have to use have. Okay, we will use have. So student, Sikha and Amin have scored A plus in their science projects. Now the next 6 is this week we don't dash a sports periods. This week we don't dash a sports period. So what will be used with we? So student, here we will use have. So student, in number 6 we will use have. This week we don't have a sports period. Now the next number 7. We dash decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. So student, what will be used with we? We is a plural word, so we will use have. We have decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. Okay students, so just like this you have to complete this given blanks with has or have. In number 1, one more time we are going to revise this again. So In number 1, an octopus has 8 legs, so we will use here has. Okay, an octopus has 8 legs. Second, Charlie has bought a new bicycle, so it will be had. Charlie has bought a new bicycle. Third is I has got 4 new pencils, so we will use have with I. So it will be I have got 4 new pencils. Fourth is Punita has a kind heart, so here we will use has with Punita. Punita has a kind heart. Fifth is Sikha and Amin dash scored A plus in their science project, so we will use have here. Sikha and Amin have scored A plus in their science projects. Now the next, number 6, this week we don't dash a sports period, so we will use have. This week we don't have a sports period. Seventh is we has decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today, so here we will use have. We have decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. Okay student, so just like this you have to complete this given exercise G. Now the next, that is exercise H. In exercise H we will use fill in the blanks was, were or had. Okay student, here we will use the helping verb was, were or had. So firstly we will learn this given information about how could we use was, were or had. So when we talk about something that happened in the past, when we talk about something that happened in the past, we use the verb was, were or had. Was is used with singular noun, were is used with plural nouns, and had is used with both singular and plural nouns. Okay, so here we will use was and were, was, were or had. Okay student, according to the given sentence, we all know that we will use was with the singular, were with the plural, and had with the both singular and plural. Okay, the instruction is given here, so you must be read this given instruction about the was, were or had. Okay student, so let's do the given exercise H. In exercise H, fill in the blanks with was, were or had. So first sentence is when I dash a baby, I had a pink coat. So student, here we will use was. When I was a baby, I had a pink coat. Second is we dash a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. Okay, so here we will use had. We had a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. Third is there dash 25 students in our class last year. So here we will use were. Okay, there were 25 students in our class last year. Fourth is flowers. So flowers dash blooming in this garden last spring. So here we will use the given word, the given verbs, that is were. Okay, flowers were blooming in this garden last spring. Fifth is I dash a pet squirrel when I dash a child. So here we will use on first blank, that will be had. I had a pet squirrel when I was a child. Okay. Now the sixth is Tim dashed some milk and went to sleep. So here we will use had. Tim had some milk and went to sleep. Okay students, so just like this you have to complete this given exercise H, and also learn that how could we use helping verbs was, were or had with a sentence. Okay student. So dear student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercises in your book. You must be complete your exercises. Okay, and after that if you not completed your fair copy, so you must be write this given word meaning and exercise A, D, E in your fair copy. Okay, it's your homework. You must be write this given exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. It is very important that your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay student, and after that I will explain this given exercise B and C in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.